Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 6 students. Our today's topic is chapter 2, lesson 4 and 5. Do you remember in the last class we discussed about the urban civilization in the Indian subcontinent? We also discussed Indus civilization. We also discussed the two major towns of Indus civilization, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. We also discussed Wari, Bodeshwar and Mahestangarh, Pundranagar. So today we will discuss chapter 2, lesson 4 and 5, ancient civilization. So my dear students, let's start the class. Okay. Topic chapter 2, lesson 4 and 5, ancient world civilization. Ancient civilization mainly thrived in Asia and Africa. In lesson 4 and 5, we will learn about several remarkable ancient civilizations, excepting the ancient civilization in the Indian subcontinent. First one, Egyptian civilization. Developed in 5,000 years ago. Egyptian civilization was developed on the bank of the river Nile about 5,000 years ago. Pharaoh. The Egyptian kings were called Pharaoh at the time. The countrymen respected the pharaohs very much. Next one, technique of making mummy. The Egyptians believed that the pharaohs would also be their kings in the next world after death. For this reason, the Egyptians preserved the dead bodies of the pharaohs with care. In preserving the dead bodies of the pharaohs, the Egyptian scientists invented the technique of making mummy. Next, we will discuss about hieroglyphic. The Egyptians were also expert at making stone and bronze statues. The Egyptians could invent a script which looked like pictures. It was called hieroglyphic script. My dear students, you can look the pictures. This is the pictures of Pyramid of Egypt, and in the middle you can see the statue of the pharaohs. Okay, we will move next topic, Mesopotamian civilizations. Tigris and Euphrates River. Mesopotamian civilization developed on the bank of the rivers Tigris and Euphrates, the land between two rivers. The word Mesopotamia means the land between two rivers. Several civilizations developed at different times in this region. They include Sumerian civilization, Old Babylonian civilization, Assyrian civilization, Chaldean or New Babylonian civilization. We will discuss now Sumerian civilization. Sumerian civilization developed in 4000 BC, and the most important, cuneiform. Their most important contribution is cuneiform. What is cuneiform? A special type of script emerged in Mesopotamia. The name of that script was cuneiform. Next one, Babylonian king Hammurabi. Babylonian king Hammurabi made a collection of laws. Next one, New Babylonian city. The New Babylonian city was enclosed by a 56-mile long wall. The whole wall was gardened. The garden is known as Hanging Garden of Babylon. Could you please come to these pictures? Can you see Hanging Gardens of Babylon? This is the Hanging Garden of Babylonian city, and this belongs to New Babylonian city, Hanging Garden of Babylon. We will now move to Chinese civilization. Huanghu and Yangtze-Kiang River. Chinese urban civilization developed on the banks of the rivers named Huanghu and Yang Shiqiang in 2000 BC. Agricultural system. The Chinese developed a strong agricultural system. Great Wall of China, this is very important. The Chinese were expert at making bronze statues and artifacts. The most astonishing is the Great Wall of China. This wall had been built for a few hundred years to defend China from the attack of the enemies. We will move on now to next. We are moving to next civilizations. Persian civilizations developed 600 BC. The present country named Iran was called Persia in the ancient period. The Persian civilization developed in 600 BC. Emperor Darius. Emperor Darius the first contributed much to the development of Persian civilization. We will move now the important contributions of the Persian civilization: efficient administrations and religious system. In the history of civilization, the Persians had two contributions. One was the efficient administration in ruling the empire, and the other was special religious pattern or system. So this one is very important, the most important contributions of the Persian civilizations. Next one, Greek civilization, Roman civilization. Most of the ancient urban civilization developed in Asia and Africa. Two urban civilizations developed in Europe. One is in Greece and the other is in Rome. We are now moving to next one, Greek civilization, developed 800 BC. Greek civilization developed in 800 BC. Main source of income, commerce. Why commerce? As there was no river, there was not cultivable land at that time. So commerce was the main source of income for the city-states which developed on the sea coasts. Athens, democracy developed, and Sparta, martial law developed. So first I would like to mention that two important states of Greece was Athens and the other was Sparta. And in Athens, democracy developed, and in Sparta, martial law developed. We are moving now to last one, and this one is Roman civilization. Business dependent. Why business dependent? Urban civilization also developed in Rome. In Roman civilization, though there was little cultivation, this cultivation was also business dependent. A warrior nation. The Romans were a warrior nation. They built the vast empire conquering many countries. Julius Caesar and Augustus Caesar, renowned emperors like Julius Caesar, Augustus Caesar developed empire in Rome. Important contributions. The Romans made important contributions to civilization by building stone and brick built houses, roads and streets, religious temples, etc. The Romans were the most famous in the primitive world in making stone statues. Again, in the field of science, the Roman scientists contributed much. So this we are going to finish our class today. First, look at this picture. This is the Great Wall of China, the contributions of the Chinese civilization. We can also look again the picture, Pyramid of Egypt, and next one, Hanging Gardens of Babylon, New Babylonian city contributions. And next one, Great Wall of China. This is Chinese civilizations contributions. So my dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay well, stay home. We will see you again for this time. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for all. Thanks all for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.